Hey, what's up guys? This is Adrian from Top Collectors, and today we have the 2020 Wildterrain Q case from Hot Wheels. Let's open that up. As usual, there's always two sets in these cases, so let's grab our knife. Let's open this up. So first up we have the 1988 Mercedes Unimog U1300, the first of its set. We have the 1967 off-road Camaro. Yeah, this was featured also in last year's Fast and Furious set. Yeah, nice Wildterrain up there. We have the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. This was an RLC exclusive. I'm actually happy they made a premium line version of this hardtop. Here's the fan favorite. This is a 1985 Ford Bronco Highway Patrol. Yeah, this is going to be one that the collectors are going to go after. Absolutely. K9 unit. And the Porsche 959 1986. Yeah, this is a brand new casting, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is a brand new casting, guys. This is really nice. 186 at the top. You got the Porsche. You got the Porsche logo on the side. Got a lot of colors. You got the blue, you got the white, the yellow, the red. Really like the card art on this one. Let's put this to the side. Let's open them up. Really nice colors, plastic headlights. Yeah, Bilstein 186, nice white wheels, rubber, or I feel more like plastic, tires. Same thing here, we got a hard plastic, no actually, sorry, yeah, these are actual rubber wheels. Yeah, search and rescue at the top, you got the Land Rover logo, Defender 110, the Land Rover 110 plate in the back again, Got the Land Rover badging over here, painted headlights, and painted taillights, no opening parts. Yeah, this is very similar to the Fast and Furious one. I really like the colors on this. You got white, you got the Lucas oil products ink. Got the nice rubber wheels, the big boys. Got the guards in the front. The white, the blue stripes, the red stripe. Yeah, it'd be really nice if Hot Wheels potentially made this a hopefully a nice version of an RLC exclusive. One day with actual opening parts. I think that'd be pretty cool. And we have the Ford Bronco. Safety, service, and security. K9 unit, highway patrol badge. 85. I think I had one of these. I'm not sure if it was Hot Wheels or Matchbox when I was younger, but it actually had opening doors. It was white with a black topper in the back over here. Completely contrary, but I know a lot of you diorama fans are going after this one here. Yeah, they did a really good job on this. Yeah, 2012, I think this is the third or fourth time that Hot Wheels has done this one since 2012. Yeah, but they did a really good job. This shiny black with the cut of the white doors and the white hatcher in the back, really nice. Again, would be nice if they had an opening front, but overall, very good. And the Mercedes. Got the backcountry, paramedic, patrol and response. This is the second time that Hot Wheels, this is the third time Hot Wheels did this. We saw it in the last year's Star Wars set, and prior to that there was a Street Fighter version as well. Yeah, nice rubber wheels. 88 Benz, Hot Wheels. Got the nice Benz logo right there. Again here, backcountry, paramedic, patrol and response. No opening doors again. This is plastic. Got a nice metal body. The base is plastic. I'm kind of disappointed in that. I was hoping that maybe at least this part would be metal and then this box at least be plastic, but they just made the main cabin all in metal. The door doesn't open here. It's still a pretty nice looking car overall. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, let us know which one was your favorite one, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.